closer look. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to have a closer look at the machine right next to us here. This is the new generation of grinding machines, and with us today we have product specialist Marco. Welcome.
Thank you.
He's here to help us go through the machine, see what's new, and also look at the three main benefits of the machine. But to start off with, this is the Epiroc BQ4, but can you tell us a bit more about the machine?
Yes, we can see that this is the machine for top hammer bits. We also have a similar one for DTH and cop rod, slightly larger machine. This machine can grind bits from 35 up to 127 millimeter. We have electric connection 400. We have all versions 400, 230 volt. Air connection between 5 and 7 bar. We have a built-in filter tank for cooling. Yeah.
So that's a bit about the machine, and we did mention that this is the new generation. If we compare it to the old one, which was Epiroc BQ3, what's new?
Yeah, there's a lot of small things here. First of all, the filter, the water cooling. We have a new pump. We have also built in the filter into the machine. And the feed for the cylinder for top hammer machine has a stronger motor, so it's more rigid. And also the hanging of the motor, we have a new belt. Yeah, our LED light we also have built in.
No, we don't have the LED lights on right now, but they are definitely there. You mentioned before as well that we have the same machine but for DTH.
Yes.
Does it look the same, or is there anything different between that one and the top hammer machine?
No, it's almost the same machine. It's a little bit heavier and due to the size of the bits.
Great, and we always have the three main benefits in when we do a closer look. So do you want to just tell us shortly the three main benefits of the BQ4?
Yes, the machine is fast. You have a faster regrind, and you reduce the bottom grinding time, and also you have a very cost-efficient grinding.
So there's the three main benefits, and what we're going to do now is just to ask Marco to explain those a bit more to us and how we can promise that to our customers. So if we start with the first one, you mentioned faster regrind. What does that mean, and how does the machine do it?
Yeah, that's the overall grinding process is quite easy and simple. You have a centering arm here, so you can center your insert. But the most important for fast regrinding of a specific insert is that we have a diamond wheel. We don't have the cups, so we have a wheel with a lot of diamond coating on. That is rotating at high RPM, but at the same time we are also rotating the table, so we don't need too many seconds to regrind and restore the shape of the insert.
Great. So that was the first main benefit, and that takes us to the other one, which is reduced bottom grinding time. You want to explain that?
Yeah, that goes into my first explanation actually when it comes to the grinding wheel, that we have a lot of coating, so we can grind very fast, so the shape is restored quickly. But yeah, just combining the faster regrind process because it's that simple with the centering and everything like that.
Okay, and that takes us to the third main benefit, which was cost-efficient grinding. Want to explain that one a bit more?
Yeah, when it comes to using grinding wheels, as I mentioned, we have a lot of coating on them, and since we have two rotating things here, you have the wheel and you have the bit. The wheel is keeping the button shape in a much better way and a longer way, so you have a long service life on the wheels. But also you restore the bits to the original shape as well, so you have a lot of gain for that as well on the bits.
There we have it. Those are the three main benefits, a bit more in depth. Is there anything else you want to add that we have forgotten to mention now that we have the machine here in front of us?
Yes, I forgot to mention something about the speed of the process. We have one feature here where we can lock the spindle at a certain height, depending on the height of your bit. So you don't need to travel into the top between every grinding. So you can stay above and then have a much faster startup for the next insert.
And that was that little button here. When we talk about the machine, is it very easy for the operators to use, or?
Yes, it's as I said, it's very simple. You have one manual mode and automatic mode. So the only thing you need to have control over is the time you will grind, and also make sure that you're centering the gauge buttons. So it's very easy.
Easy to use, that's what we like to hear. There you have it. This is the Epiroc BQ4, our next generation grinding machine. Thank you so much, Marco, for being here, talking us through it. This machine means less time on production grinding and more time on production drilling, right?
Correct.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you all for watching, and our product specialists are here if you need any help, or you can also find information on our website. Thank you.
Thank you.